Good morning, students. Today we are starting a new lesson of our subject mathematics for standard 3rd for our new academic year 2021-22. In this mathematics subject, we are looking at second lesson first, that is number world, which is very important in our day-to-day life. That is, we always playing with the numbers in each factor. When we are going in a shop, we have to deal with the money, so it is also in a number. In everywhere numbers are important, so we are looking about the number. We already know how to write a number in a word from 1 to 100. Now this number 100 is how many digit number? This number 100 is how many digit number? Yes, number 100 is how many digit number? 3 digit. 1, 2 and 3. This 100 is written as 100. So 100. So this is the 3 digit number. So in this video we are looking how this 100 is representing or reading or represented in a different way, or what are the different ways in which we are using this 100. So let's begin. What is given here? First convert, Tony. Tony said what? Here are 100 candies. In a dish which Tony have, he has how many candies? Chocolates किती आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये? How many candies are there? 100. So here we get 100. We can read it as a 100. This 100 number we can read it as how? 100. तुम्ही हा 100 नंबर कसा रीड करू शकता? आयदर 100 असाही यूज करू शकता. नेक्स्ट we are looking about a Nandu. What Nandu said? I scored a century. I scored a century. Look at the number century. Everyone heard this century word in a cricket match. Sachin Tendulkar did a century in that match. So this century means also 100. This meaning of century, this century is also called as 100. This century means its value is 100. So you can read the 100 as a 100. Then you can also read it as a century in a particular format. So we are looking two ways of representing 100 or reading 100, that is 100 and century. Now we are looking towards the third section. Look at this image. What you can see? Salma said, I counted these bangles. They are 10 tens. She had a one bundle. In one bundle, how many bangles are there? 10 bangles. Then second bundle, also 10 bangles. In third, also 10. In fourth, also 10. Again, in a fifth, also 10. Sixth, also 10. Seventh, also 10. 8 also 10. 9 also 10. And 10 also 10. If we are taking one bundle which having a 10 bangle or 10 things in a box, and if we are collecting this such a 10 boxes together, it is equal to the, if we are taking 10 boxes 10 times, means it is a 100. So just like that, 10 tens is equal to how many? 100. This 10 tens is equal to 100. We are in a simple way, we have to remember, we can easily remember it with the help of our rupees notes, पैसे रुपीजच्या मदतीने. If I have a 10 rupees note, this is a 10 rupees note, and I have to give, and I have only 10 rupees note. माझ्याकडे फक्त 10 रुपीजच्या नोट आहेत. सो आय हॅव टू गिव्ह अ शॉपकीपर 100 rupees. So what I have to do? Take 10 rupees notes. We have to take, look at this. If I am taking one 10 rupees note, amount is 10. If I am taking is again 10, it become 10 plus 10, 20. We have to give shopkeeper how many rupees? 100 rupees. So again I am taking 10 rupees note because I have only 10 rupees notes. So in this way, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. If I am taking 10 rupees note, how many times? 10 times. 10. You can also use a table of 10. 10, 10 to the 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So if I am taking 10 times 10 rupees note, if I am taking 10 times 10 rupees note, then it is equal to how many rupees? 100 rupees. 10 times 10 or 10 tens is equal to how many? 100. So we are looking a third, that is, first is 100, then century is another word for 100. 10 tens is also equal to the 100. Now last option is given and last way is given. Sonu bought 100 orange. 100. This is a one. Fourth way you can read this 100, that is 100. Fourth way, that is 100. Amount is same. 100 is equal to value 100. This 10 tens is also equal to 100. Century is also equal to 100. 100 is also equal to the 100. So all these values are same, which is equal to the 100. But look at this left hand side, these words are different. 100, century, 10 tens, 100, 100. So in the different 5 ways you can read the number 100, or you can use a number 100. 100, 100. So what are the different representation, or what are the different way of reading the 100? That is 5 ways are there. 100, second is 100, then third century, 10 tens, and 100. So in this way you can read a term 100. So in this image what is given here? One string is given. एका धाग्यामध्ये काय केले? छोटे छोटे मनी त्यांनी ओवलेत. So these beads are present in this string, and these beads are how many? 100. 100 beads means 100 beads are present in this into the string, and we putting all these beads taking out from the string and into the bag. आपण हे मनी सगळे काढलेत आणि या बॅग मध्ये एकत्र केले. So this bag become a bunch of 100 beads. So and this H is a letter used for 100 place. 100. So here is a purse of 100. So in a purse 100 beads are present. So 100 is another way of representing. So in this way you can use this term 100. Now we are looking how this 100 become, or how the different 3-digit numbers are made. So look at the term. How this 100, when 100 comes, When 100 comes, look at this. 9 beads and 1 bead together make a 10 bead. If 9 plus 1, 9 is a single digit number. 9 is a single digit number. If I are adding 1, we can get 2 digit number, that is 10. Now 2 digit numbers are started in our table and we are reaching up to a largest 2 digit number. Largest 2 digit number. What is the largest 2 digit number? Yes, 99. And for the further number, we have to add 1 into it. If we are adding 1, 99, 9 plus 1 is 10. So I am writing here 0, and because answer we are getting 10. So from that, at a unit place we have to write here 0 and use this 1 as a carry over here. So 9 plus 1 again 10. So I am writing here 10. So number become how many? 100. When we are adding 1 into a largest 2 digit number, that is 99, we are getting amount, or we are getting a number 100. So this is a 100. If so, look at the images. 100 is a 3 digit number, a smallest 3 digit number, because first 3 digit number started from 100. So it is become a for smallest 3 digit number. Smallest 3 digit number is equal to how many? Which number is 100? Because काय होतंय बघा, स्मॉलेस्ट 3 डिजिट नंबर कोणता आहे? 100. कारण पहिला नंबर जो 3 डिजिट असणार आहे तो कोणता आहे? 100. सो इट इज अ स्मॉलेस्ट 3 डिजिट number. Now we are making a bunch of 100 beads into a one bag. So one bag is equal to 100. Such a 2 bags are there. One bag of 100 and another bag of 100. So 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 and bag of how much? 100. So 200. If we are taking 100 plus another 100, it becomes how many? 200. 200. If I am taking a 5 bunches of 100 bag, one bunch of 100 bag, second, third, fourth, fifth, 5, and bunch of how many amount? 100. So 500. So in this way, different terms regarding 100, 100, 200, 300, 500, 600, all 900, because 9 bunches. So in this way you can further numbers in a terms of 100 you can represent. How many times you are taking 100, that time it become a number. If I am taking it's a 4 time, means it is a 400. If I am taking bunch of 400 bags, 4 bags of 100, then it is 400. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bags of 100. So it is a 400. So this is another way of representing a 100 terms. Then this is a bag of 100. If I have only a 10 rupees or 10 tens bag, बघा मगाशी आपल्याकडे 10 रुपीज होते, तसे जर आता आपल्याकडे फक्त 10 रुपीजचीच नोट असेल, सो हाऊ वी मेक इट? येस, so here triangle shape is used for a 10 bag. Here a bunch of 100 beads, it is showing with the help of a purse. So it is a one bag is equal to 100. Just like that, this one triangle is equal to 10. This value of this one triangle is 10. It is representing with the help of letter T. T means 10. So एका triangle ची किंमत किती असणार आहे? 10. So count how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 10 and bags of tens. So 10 tens make a 100. We already learned. If 10 tens make a 100. If I am taking another 10 tens, बघा एक रो 10 10 ची आपण घेतली, This is the first complete row which is equal to the 100. Now I am taking 20 tens. Another 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This 10, 10 plus this 10, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. If I am taking 20 tens, it become how many amount? 100 plus 100, 200. 100 plus 100, 200. बघा, जेव्हा आपण काय करतोय, 10 वाल्या बॅग आहेत आपल्याकडे, 10 रुपीज असणाऱ्या बॅग्स आहेत. जेव्हा मी 10 रुपीजच्या हाऊ मेनी नोट्स घेतल्या? 10 नोट्स घेतल्या. 10 रुपीजच्या 10 नोट घेतल्या, तेव्हा आपली अमाऊंट किती होते? 100. इफ आय एम टेकिंग अनदर 10 रुपीज नोट, हाऊ मेनी टाइम? 10 टाइम. First 10 time notes are available and another 10 times notes I am taking, so it becomes how many? 20. And 20 10 rupees notes, so 20 tens is equal to how many? 200. So look at here, if I am taking 30 tens, if I have a rupees of, I am writing here only number 10 rupees note. If I am taking it 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I am taking 10 times 10 rupees note, 10 times घेतले, combinedly this amount is equal to how many? 100. If this amount is present near me. हे आता माझ्याजवळ आहे किती? 10 रुपीच्या मी किती नोटा घेतल्यात? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I am taking another 10 notes of 10 rupees. 10, 10, again 10, 3, 4 time, 5 time, 6 time, 7 time, 8 time, 9 and 10. Again this amount is 10 tens, 10 rupees note. Again I am taking same 10 rupees note. How many time? Tens time. 10 tens is equal to this amount become 100. So this 10 become how many? 10 tens plus again this 10 tens. So this 10 tens plus 10 tens means it is how many? 10 plus 10, 20 tens. And this 10 means 20 tens means how many amount? This 100 plus 100, 200. 100 plus 100, 200. So this 20 10. Therefore 20 tens is equal to 200. If I have 50 tens, means it is how many? 500. And you can easily observe that I am copying this 50 as it is, and then further this tens, because 10 number is having how many 0 at a unit place? 1 0. So I am putting 1 0 after this. So tell me, if I am taking here 80 tens, so it is how many? 80 copy as it is, and for this tens I am putting 1 0 of 10. So 800. How you can write it as 800. So these are the numbers in the terms of a 100, complete hundreds numbers. Whole 100 number, that is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 800. So in this way, this 100 term you can use in a different way.